Every generation has the right to a revolution in their time, whether it be an economic revolution, anything. You have that right. And I believe a generation that goes by without a form of revolution is a generation that's lost.
It's doomed, yeah.
At the end of the day, also, if you look at government policies coming to freedom, I was at a public participation in Durban from the Gauteng legislature, where the speaker actually told me that they want public participation. And I told them, well, it's very ironic at this very moment, because where was the public participation with the e-toll?
Exactly.
There was no public participation with that. And except for that, they actually took the money, they bought shares out of that with pension money. Our elderly people, where's their freedom now? They're going to have a hard time being old. How are they going to be free? The current government they are making policies that are affecting us.
Yeah.
It's affecting us. Where's our freedom? Why don't we have a say in the current government? Why? Because we're not in the ANC. The ANC's got to let go of this umbrella they're holding in front of them and actually start listening. They have to start listening. I have a lot of respect for President Zuma himself. President Zuma honored us when he came into power. When I'm talking about us, I'm talking about the Afrikaner culture. He said that you are special. You are the only white tribe of Africa. And we said, you know what, Mr. President, we're willing to work with you. Dr. Mulder can be the Deputy Minister of Agriculture, because that's what we do. Afrikaners do farming. We are the best in the world. I'm not bragging, but we are the best in the world when it comes to farming. We have a farm up in the northwest. Yes.
You don't have to answer, sorry, I'm just being silly. Let me go to PE. FIFA.
Hello.
Ninjani.
Hi.
Ninjani.
Sapna Ninjani.
Ikhona kodwa man. Mamela buti, I think yonke lento lies in our course. Freedom amsunxoka ikhona. I enjoy mna kakhulu. I'm 28 years. I'm 28 years and I'm living my life to the full.
Wow.
The only thing is it lies in our court. Vuka uzenzele. Like don't tuhlale koneni. I'm to blame abantu for problems zakho. Don't blame abantu abamhlophe. Don't blame abantwana abazulu ini. I don't believe kusenjalo nangoku. The only thing is when I wake up, do it for yourself, and teach and preach to the younger ones that they should do the same.
Indoni wena FIFA oyenze right, because you're 28 ngoku, you're living your life to the fullest. Indoni oyenze right.
Into right means like nabasebenzi by 28. Vuka nazenze business plan. I've got 28 workers.
So every year you're picking up a worker.
I think I should follow that pattern. Yeah, you know. Next year I'll pick up another worker.
Indoni business yako FIFA?
Sorry.
Indoni business yako?
The catering industry. I'm doing catering. Now I'm doing nutritional programs for the Department of Education.
And right wena nabantu baqashileyo banemisebenzi impilo right.
Impilo right. Nandihlanga koneni ndibe sithi abantu abamhlophe basicinazele okanye umuntu otheni sicinazele. Wake up and do it for yourself.
Yes. Enkosi kakhulu FIFA, enkosi kakhulu.
Kulungile bro. All right, thanks.
All right, FIFA, all right.
Hi sweswo va ka hina namuntlha hi burisana hi timhaka ta ntshunxeko ku ri hina tanihi vanhu lava tshamaka tikweni ra Afrika-Dzonga, ntshunxeko lowu hi nga wu kuma hi 1994 loko hi sungula ku vhota wa kha wa hi tirhela na n'wina ma wu twisisa ntshunxeko lowu. Tihlanganiseni na hina 0839133720 hi kota ku ri hi burisana hi timhaka ta ntshunxeko ku hi wu twisisa njhani, kumbe a hi le ku kumeni, kumbe a hi wu twisisi swin'wana swi mukhomi kahle laha hi le ka shift. A hi buleni just after the break.
Okay.
But it's actually nice. I mean, it's one of those things.
No, you are spot on.
Exactly. I gotta get into the work. You buy a BMW, it's a problem. So I was also somewhere like a 70. I have a salary. Hello.
Kinana referee mo South Africa, because then we have a democracy, and then vote, everybody can vote, and then we can do the total batla. You know, we can go anywhere we like, and then like as in people can just do what they want to do because it's a free country. Everybody has rights, and but voted, you know, they can go wherever they like. Yeah.
We're not that free because we can't express ourselves that much. But we closed up. Like me, as I'm starting something right now, as I try to go places with this, I ask certain people for help, and they just shutting me down to show that I see we're not helping each other out in achieving certain goals.
Ndingathi ewe sikhululekile kodwa iyadepend ubana ungubani ufunde ngakanani inkululeko yakho kodwa hayi sonke sikhululekile lapha eSouth Africa kuyadependa ngento ezininzi so ndingathi singathanda ubana si-improve as much as si-celebrate Freedom Day siyazi ubana si-celebrate ntoni because kukho abanye abantu abasese-oppressed in terms of abantwana basezikolweni kakhulu ezilalini i-education i-different from edolophini so nabo ke ba-oppressed ngoba ezinye opportunities abazifumani in terms of tertiary education so ndingatsho ubana sikhululekile kodwa at a certain extent.
Angathi si-free but kodwa ke akuphelelanga ngoba kuselama-corruptions distractor freedom yethu from kuma-officials government. Maybe if they can solve that, then maybe we can say we are free, but it's not yet at this moment.
Yeah, I don't think we are. Because otsamaya batho ba re tshushetsha like ba botsa gore mphe phone ya gago else o ka se mphe ba go shupa ka sethunya so I still don't think we're free. Because I want to go to freely, because o bona motho wa go shetse morago go lebeletse somehow o nana re oh maybe this person o tlo go dira something.
Batsho abantu mntasekhaya phaa esitratweni abanye bathi si-free abanye bathi asikho free kodwa ke ekugqibeleni wena njengomntu ohleliyo ngoku uya-understanda kuqala uba i-freedom lesithatha ngayo yintoni na and intoni kufuneka uyenze wena ukwazi uba uzokwazi uba uenjoye amalungelo wakho wonke esithatha ngayo la usafumana ngo-1994 khawusifuna mntasekhaya 089133720 or SMS ku-33720 ne-email ikhona shift@sabc.co.za nefacebook ikhona nansi phambi kwam shift on SABC1 apho sikubuza umbuzo khona into yobana are we all free this Freedom Day, this Freedom Month, leya Friday 27th ku-2012 babhalile ke apha abaninzi umiso Zondi Makoya Juju arikodwa ukuhulumeni nezinqumo azithathayo yedwa usenza singayizwa ifreedom yethu athi ukhombisile lungile yebo sikhululekile kodwa isekhona ingcindezelo kithi thina abasebenzi bezitolo sisebenza ngaphansi kwezimo ezibhlungu kakhulu ngizobe ngisebenza ngalolu suku kodwa angeke ngithole ngisho imali ye-overtime. Brightman Sandile athi definitely we are free but we are violating that power of being free, especially us youth. We are clueless of where we're coming from. Others do not go to school while Steve Biko fought for free education. Wathi igama lakhe Brightman Sandile Mthiyane from Inanda eDurban City. Athi tsietsi makhalanyane no hari free ho ba re sa bolawa jwalo ka dinja freedom ke di politician le ba sebetsang finish and clear kusho tsietsi
Ay masijike ngaseKapa sithi hello ku James siyakwamukela ku shift
Molweni apho
Molo James
Difumana it's very worrying to find out that Freedom Front Plus psychologically they don't live in South Africa.
Kanjani buti?
Ngolhlobo loba bathethe nge-minority rights. Whereas bona kufuneka be-integratile kwi-society yalapha South Africa bangatreatwa bangafumani la treatment special because in the past era bebe privileged. Now sibafuna ke ngoku ba-integrate babe kunye nathi kungabikho special treatment for bona. So i-rights these rights ezifanayo kumuntu wonke kungabikho i-minority rights. So apha South Africa ngoku into eyenzekayo we've gained our freedom and we are happy therefore. So ndizama ukuthi ke i-Freedom Front Plus mayibe yinxalenye yethu maye bangafuni i-special treatment. Enkosi.
Siyabulela, but James. Jean, he's saying that his only concern is that the Freedom Front Plus still wants minority rights, whereas everybody should be getting equal rights as South Africans. The Freedom Front should change their psychology and they should stop demanding minority rights.
Well, then it shouldn't just be the Freedom Front, it should be the entire world. Minority rights are a internationally accepted practice. Funny enough that in South Africa it's a special case, it's only the majority that has that right, where in other countries minority rights are fought for by the majority, not the majority fighting for their own agendas. They actually look after minorities in the rest of the world.
So do you want to be looked after?
Well, basically, we want to be able to look after ourselves. If you look at what's currently happening in the country, let's talk about freedom to farm. Farm murders are a massive problem in our country. If my culture are 3 people strong and you take away 1, that's called genocide. Because we are a minority and our crime system is so high in the country by lack of government, lack of policing, etc. When someone dies in our community, we feel it. We actually feel it. On a numbers game, all right. I do understand that crime affects all of us, but crime, when it happens to us, our small group, it affects us drastically. It takes away someone that could have been a doctor, could have created jobs. Let's look at our education system. For a white student to get into Tuks, he has to get 90% average. For a black student to get into Tuks, he has to get a 60. Not only are you alienating the white kid, he's going to go overseas. He's not going to do anything in South Africa because he's being discriminated against. Our constitution is very clear on that. Our own constitution says that if you base your practices on skin color, that is called racism. That is a constitution that was decided on at Kudesa. All right, so it's
I
not...
think we'll have to get the other guests to respond to that because we still have another guest to bring.
Before that, yeah, ndifake i-guest enye apha i-artist naye uDJ Afro uthi nabo banengoma ye-freedom, but ke obviously kuyafuneka sixoxe into yobana i-freedom le kucula ngayo bona baya-understanda kuqala na intoni abayenzayo ukuthi kufuneka intoni efuneka bayenzile bona kuqala baya-understand i-freedom before kubhiyozwa ngengoma. DJ Afro.
Hey baba.
Unjani baba?
Ubaba uMoloyisi.
Yeah.
Unjani baba?
Wangisho kamnandi baba uMoloyisi.
Sanibona.
Hello. Unjani?
Angikhona kunjani?
Siyaphila. Izoqhawula.
Ngibambe isandla.
Hayi uphilile ke futhi?
Angikhona.
Hayi siyabonga ukuthi uzivakashele. Sikhuluma ngenkululeko ngapha.
Yeah, sizoza kuwe manje ne. Ngifuna nje if si respond to what Jean said.
Mhlambe uTebogo no Thabelo.
You know, I hear your qualms, you know, and they're realistic. But I think I just had another question, and then I don't know if it's related to you. That's why I'm speaking English. You see, essentially, what's important for me is industry and economic development, right? To create a South Africa that is going to grow. It's a 20-year plan, 30-year plan. Now, you, as Afrikaner people, you guys say you're good with farming, right? There's a lot of kids in the rural areas who studying agriculture. If, say, these kids had to, with the land that's been claimed, if, say, these kids had to, like, get the opportunity to work on this land and get expertise from South African Afrikaners, from a level of assistance, guidance, and growth, is the Afrikaner minority willing to work with that sort of development? Because essentially, you know, I think if you don't want us to take your farms, maybe let's work, which I understand, maybe let's work with what's available, and you guys guide us, and we have some sort of like guidance there, because that's how we're going to build the country, essentially. And we build our farms, we don't bother you. You don't bother us. But essentially, it's really a skill pass over situation. Do you think Afrikaner people would be willing to work that out? I know it's top line now, but if there was some sort of intense conversation like that, do you think you guys would work with us on that?
Yeah, we're already doing that. Basically, our expertise are being taken out of the country towards Namibia, Zambia. The Georgian government they are actually paying for Afrikaners to come over and show them how to do agriculture. We have sectors, thanks to Dr. Peter Mulder, that are actually going out to rural farms that's been claimed to teach these people, because the main thing here is voedselsekuriteit, food. Food is the most important thing in our country. If we don't have food, we're going to die. It's a very touchy subject. That's why most farmers, I mean, look, there's a farm up in the Brits area I know about. That guy was one of the biggest producers of his specific product. And then the farm was claimed. When we went back 2 years later, it was cordoned off, I think it's 30 by 30 meters, and the guy had his little, just tomatoes there and articles there, and what happened to that whole farm? It turned into a jungle. That is ground we lost it until someone actually starts doing something about it. Yeah, we are doing that at the moment. We are going out helping people when they ask for it. But if someone comes to us and tells us, listen, you will do this because you owe us something. We don't owe anything. I'm a generation that was born in 1985. I know nothing about apartheid. I wasn't a part of apartheid. And we're going to have to get over that, because our generation we have to sing new songs. We have to fight new fights. One of the touchy subjects, one of the things that we need. Afrikaners.
I'll tell you something. Why don't we do the touchy subject when we come back from the break?
Yeah, just after the break,
we chime on the other segment. Sibongile nawe ekhezela ngicela ubambe lapha mntasekhaya sokhuluma masibe break. Ne? Or should we do his touchy point and then do the guest?
No, let's do the guest first.
I'm just thinking focus-wise, because then by the time we go back,
Utlo Janang. Oh, 7 minutes is fine. Okay? Okay. Yeah. miyamukele ka shift burisana hi timhaka ta ntshunxeko vona kha va hlangane na ne va ri fonele va ri vudza uri he mbofolo ine ra khamba ngayo va yi experience hone va va hone na kana a va kone uri va yi pfesesi kana a va kone uri va yi tanganedze na 083 913 3720 SMS 33720 va kone uri va mbedzane na vorine. Let's go to KZN and say hello to Sibongile. Sibo siyakwamukela ku shift. Siyaphila nonjani?
Ngikhona.
Yebo.
Mina sisinkululeko ngiyibona incane kakhulu nje njengasesayidini labantu abangafundile. Bengihlale Alexander. Uthi mangabe kuvula ingcingo zokuthi abanenkinga bafonele office likaMengameli ngafona mina ngafonela khona. Bengihlala eNobuhle hostel. Room 20 block 3A. Okay, ngaxoxa lapho bengihlala khona bengihlala block 3B room 11.
Sibongile. Yeke kusho ukuthi buhlala kubazokulanda lapho.
Angithi manje so KZN. And then kwabe sekwenzekani?
No, ngathutha. Ngithuthe kodwa bese kusho ukuthi bese kulungisiwe yebo lokho. KZN onokwamanje. Ngikhuluma into engisuka kuyo. Ukuthi inkululeko ayikabikho ngithuthile vele ngithuthele KZN bengasathanda ukuhlala khona impilo beyingekho mnandi. So inkinga yami ngathi mangifonele office angangathola ukuphenduleka ngithini namhlanje ngendaba ukuthi ngixoshwe endlini. Indlu le bekuyindlu ye-RDP bekurenovate ehostela kungeniswa sikhishwe indlu ezindala singeniswa kwezinto. So ngakhishwa abantu yathi indlu yasehostela ngifuna indlu ene-toilet nekamera yona ngeke ihlale erumini eyi-one ney'ngane babona kahle ukuthi kukhishwe mina. Ngaye emaphoyiseni amaphoyisa ababiza batshela ukuthi abanginikeza indawo yokuhlala. Ngabuyela endaweni le yakudala kwakuhlalwa kuyo kudala engenatoilet engenali. Yabona.
So okay wena inkululeko ufila sengathi abantu abangafundile abakayitholi kahle angithi ma?
ngithi yabona njengoba mina njengami nje I can't read, I can't write. And futhi njengoba ngakwazi ukufunda ngakwazi ukubhala. Yebo, I understand English. I'm speaking English ngoba ngikwazi ukuyicelela ipapa kubelungu yabona mangifuna umsebenzi ematishini. So ngaleyo ndlela mina since ngabhalisa the RDP angaze ngitsho.
Usayilindile. Uyazi sizocela ukuthi kukhona
ukuphelelwe ithemba sithanda sami. Uyazi ukuthi mangicela ukuthi ngabhalisa ngo96 indlu. Ngahamba ngayivuselela ngo2008 indlu. Namhla lokho akaze ngiyithole.
Uyazini ma lokho ukukushow sizocela ukhansela lana we-ANC uzozama ukuthi makakuphendule siyabonga ukuthi usifonele DJ Afro masikhuluma ngendaba yenkululeko especially freedom of speech kini kuma artists ubona sengathi ikhona leyo nkululeko like for example leculo elika Slika abantu bayalikhwira nina njengama artists le freedom of speech ni accepta kanjani and ni understanda kanjani
ngiyabonga sisi no into engayisho nje ukuthi kithi ama-artist freedom of speech into esebenza kakhulu siya-understanda into eshiwa uSlika kule ngoma yakhe that is why engekho umuntu oyi-musician oke waya kuye wakhuluma izinto sonke masilalela ingoma yomuntu siyilalela kahle silalele yonke into from ama-chorus to ama-verse yonke into siyi-understande kahle leyo nto iyasinceda ukuthi umuntu singagcini simcriticize of umsebenzi wakhe kodwa sibe sazi yonke into hence esho nayo ukuthi umuntu okuwe obhale lento umuntu ongazange a-understand kahle or u-understandile but ubefuna nje ukucriticize so thina as ama-artist i-freedom of speech yasisebenzela kakhulu because yithi esi-introduce yonke into emphakathini ukuthi abantu bazi ukuthi kuqhubekalani ngenkululeko.
Sizokhuluma ngayakho ingoma just now. A touchy subject.
Yeah, basically what I wanted to say is that at the moment you are creating a new youth that they are getting angry. If you look at, I mean, BEE, it's a touchy subject. And according to everyone that I know, and believe me, I'm not racist. I come from Empangeni High School.
You wouldn't be sitting here with a bunch of blacks.
Yeah, I was in a double medium school. I know.
Also, can you speak Zulu coming from Empangeni?
I know a few, as a Sawubona, Usapilana, Nginya Pila.
Oh, sweet.
So basically, everyone in this country gets recognized. Let's say that about freedom. We want to take on President Zuma and actually ask him, listen, you said in the beginning of your term, you are special, you are the only white tribe of Africa. But every tribe in Africa is a piece of land that they can say, this is where I come from. Where is this for the Afrikaner? We want to challenge it. We want to challenge them and say, you know what, you want us here. You want us to make a change, help with you to create a better country. Give us a piece of land.
So
say, this is where you come from, Afrikaner. This is your ground. This is your land.
Okay.
In a confederal state, we don't want to. If we want to be apart, we're going to be apart. It's all right. But at the end of the day, if it's going to be possible to have a confederal state, working with South Africa, working with this vibrant country, why not? Why can't we make that vision?
Great point. Why not? Let's all be together.
Exactly.
Yes.
Tate Marule, le mokwele mme wa ko KZN a ke re walla a re hey batho ba sa rutegang batho ba nyakang dintlo tša di-RDP man ga go šomege.
I think mme ya founileng o ka re wa itse re ke tswa ko di-RDP le
o tswa le ena ko block mang e la ko Alex.
Ke sure ke lenaneo la mogotlhe national first come first serve principle. It's a pity go na le mo go mo di-masepala tsa rena babereki ba teng ke bona ba beirang dilo tse di-mistake tseo but rena as a national government ke first come first serve principle.
Where can she report? She was first in 1996, she was first again in 2008. Can she come to national?
Exactly. National Office ya Housing.
What's the number?
Mara o ile ko hotline ya president, she hasn't been answered.
Yeah, because the number gave get the same one.
Hotline ya president.
No, o ile ko teng ha kra thuso.
Ko office ya president aga screen thuso. There are close to more than 5,000 calls tse di tsenang ka letsatsi. Ha ye ko national office ya Housing.
Yeah.
A ile dipampiri tsa hae tsa o bontsha gore o ngwadise ntlo ka 96 ayoziveza because se le gore ba na le lenaneo la ziveze
Yeah,
because of
okay.
batho ba ngwadisa.
Ladies and gentlemen, thank you very much. Singakhuluma kuze inyaka iphele. Siyabonga. Thank you for joining us, all of you.
Asikisi shamba zange zakubuza ngengoma yakho but I'm sure obviously ku performance bazayibamba ukuthi njani and uhlala uzala ekhaya sizokhuluma ukuthi ithini indaba all the time. All right, itsho into mntasekhaya ke ishift namhlanje ngolwesibini yabuya futhi kwakhona Monday sabe sithetha ngetopic esaffecta sonke singama Africa apha eMzantsi. Lobola today, business or custom? Abantu kuthiwa imakoti ufumana nge100,000.
And happy Freedom Day on
and
Friday.
Happy Freedom Day on Friday. Sharp.
Freedom is coming tomorrow. 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 Proudly, must we walk proudly? How could it be when our blood is being evicted from its own soil? How could it be when our thought is being abandoned to the majesty decision? We walk toward, but deeply we have pain that dictates our pride. It's our pride. It's our pride. It's our pride. La la la,